pizza party.
Nope, I'm making a calzone, not a pizza. Calzone party in the anti-inflammation kitchen. And here are the ingredients that I have. 2 teaspoons of yeast, warm water, some salt too. This is just to get this started. 2 teaspoons of sugar, some oil, 3 cups of flour. Has xanthan gum at the back here, so because of that I don't need to add this to it. Xanthan gum is used to basically to bind the ingredients together. In my Jufron banana sauce, and this is in place of tomatoes. I got my Daiya cheese, my cheddar cheese over here. If you have mozzarella cheese, that would be better too. My Italian seasoning, and this is the turkey meat I'm going to be putting in the calzone. Okay, let's go ahead and get this started. Like 2 teaspoons of yeast, sugar, and some hot water. And then I'm going to let this sit for about 10 minutes. Okay, in this bowl over here, I'm going to go ahead and add the flour. All to this as well. Put 2 spoons of oil. Some salt, okay, I'll go ahead and add my yeast to this as well. And I'll add some water while I can mix this as well together. And this is how the dough will look like. Okay, you can oil your hands and try to get the dough together. Okay, you can go ahead and cover this and let this sit in a warm section of your house, or just let it sit for about an hour so then the dough can rise. Okay, I had the meat go on the pan for about 10 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit to the side and cool down. Okay, so this dough has been sitting for about an hour on the heat, and I'm ready. I already got everything laid up. First, I'm going to go ahead and oil my hands. Then I got the dough over here. I'm going to first break this into half. I've got half going in here. Make sure that this has flour in it as well. I'm going to spread it. I got my cheese ready. I got the banana sauce ready. I got my dough ready. It's all spread up over here. I'm going to add some oil, a little bit of oil to this too. I'm going to first go ahead and put some cheese. Sauce, meat, cheese. I'm going to go ahead and use this. Of course, you can use a knife. Should help to fold this together. And like that. Close this end like this too. Over here. Okay, so one calzone is done. Let me go ahead and work on the next one. Okay, I'm preheating the oven right now to 350 degrees for 5 minutes, and while this is preheating, I'm just going to go ahead. I took a fork and just go ahead and make sure that this is sealed properly at the edges. Okay, now that the oven is preheated, I'm going to go ahead and put this in the oven. I got this at 425. I'm gonna put this for about 20 minutes. Okay guys, the calzone is out and it's ready to eat. I think I'm gonna go with this one just because it's looking so good. Oh, that didn't stick at the bottom. That's a good sign. Let's go ahead and cut this. Ooh, you heard the crunch? Okay, so I went ahead and I cut a piece over here and look at this. Okay, let me go ahead and taste this now. It's looking so nice. Very crunchy. And the cheese is oozing out too. So good. Look at that. Look at the meat and it feels so tasty. Wow, this is amazing. Thank you for watching this, guys. Don't forget to give it a like and a subscribe for more gluten-free, dairy-free and tomato-free recipes. Yeah, that's alright. You have to try this, guys. This is so good. Have a great day.